My satinette's journey. First I acquired the female. After about 2.5 weeks, a fellow breeder informs me that a male satinette was being rehomed. So I went for him. One of the first steps is to isolate the bird and let him dominate his space. The process of pairing usually involves putting the two birds together in a confined space. Within a few days I was able to pair them with the hopes of reproducing the breed. It is always a joy when there is success in reaching goals set out. Before long they are nesting. And I can't wait for the squabs to hatch. Finally we have the squabs.